And the races on Jet Setter Slim from the outside, Apo Mysteries. Down on the inside is Tempress. Jet Setter Slim Tempress. Bideral in this favorite. Alongside is Top Deputy. Running down on the inside is Pag-asa. Apo Mysteries near at hand. And also this great Lim Grand Story, Tale to Tell, and Boys Will Be Boys is running at the tail of the field. In this favorite, Tempress. Jet Setter Slim is on the outside. Pag-asa is racing forward by Darrell. A Top Deputy near at hand. It's on the outside. Rounding the far turn in this favorite by a long nose. Jet Setter Slim moves up to take the lead. It's now Jet Setter Slim by a length and up in this favorite as they raise the final corner. Jet Setter Slim increasing its marker to about 3 lengths. In this favorite, down on the inside is near at hand, rushing up his tail to tell Pag-asa. And during the finish line, better go down and collect or is in the bag. 8A, Jet Setter Slim, the horse of Mr. Roland Lim. Second, in this favorite, tail to tail, near at hand, close, Lim Grand Story, Pag-asa. Oh,